Welcome to this deep dive on Medtronic's Hugo robotic-assisted surgery system. In this session, we'll walk through the platform's core design vision, its intended surgical indications, and the fundamental value it brings to both hospitals and surgeons. Think of this as setting the stage, understanding why Medtronic entered robotic surgery and how they're shaping accessibility, usability, and long-term sustainability. Robotic surgery has transformed precision and outcomes across specialties, but one big challenge remains: accessibility. Many hospitals, especially in developing regions, face steep barriers in cost and complexity. Medtronic's Hugo platform responds to that. It's modular, open, and built to scale. By the end of this presentation, you'll have a clear sense of what makes Hugo unique, not just as a machine, but as a system designed to empower surgical teams worldwide. Let's start by looking at where the robotic surgery landscape stands today and what gaps still need to be bridged before robotics can truly become a global standard. Over the past 2 decades, robotic assisted surgery has evolved from a futuristic idea into a standard of care in many tertiary hospitals. Yet, adoption remains uneven. Most robotic systems on the market have high upfront and service costs, often exceeding what mid-size or public hospitals can afford. This creates a divide. Some patients benefit from robotic precision, while others never have the option. Surgeons, too, face ergonomic and workflow challenges. Traditional systems require dedicated rooms and lengthy setups, while hospital administrators struggle with limited throughput. In this landscape, there's a growing need for systems that are not only advanced, but adaptable. The goal isn't just high tech, it's accessibility, efficiency, and scalability. Medtronic recognized this gap and saw an opportunity to rethink what robotic surgery could look like. Modular, flexible, and built to integrate smoothly into existing hospital infrastructure. That's the foundation of Hugo's story. At its core, Medtronic's vision for the Hugo platform is simple but ambitious: to democratize robotic surgery. That means creating a system capable of fitting into almost any operating environment, whether it's high-end surgical suite in Europe or a teaching hospital in Southeast Asia. Hugo's modularity allows hospitals to scale at their own pace. Facilities can start small, with essential components, and expand as demand grows. The open architecture means it works well alongside existing laparoscopic instruments, energy systems, and imaging equipment. This flexibility lowers the barrier to entry, helping hospitals modernize without needing to rebuild entire ORs. For Medtronic, the focus isn't just selling a robot, it's enabling a shift in how robotic technology can be deployed sustainably across different healthcare systems. By prioritizing accessibility, Hugo aligns with Medtronic's broader mission: advancing patient care through affordability and innovation. The Hugo system breaks away from the traditional monolithic design seen in most robotic platforms. Instead of one fixed unit, it uses independent robotic arms mounted on mobile carts. Each arm can be positioned flexibly around the patient, giving surgical teams more control over workflow and spatial layout. This means less time spent on docking and redocking during complex procedures. The surgeon operates from an open console, not a closed booth, which fosters better communication with the OR team. The console integrates 3D, HD visualization, and intuitive hand controls, reducing cognitive load during long cases. The digital tower houses energy systems, insufflation, and imaging components, all connected through a unified software interface. This architecture isn't just about performance, it's about serviceability. Modular components can be swapped or updated quickly, minimizing downtime and costs. In essence, Hugo's design philosophy puts practicality and reliability on the same level as innovation. The Hugo RAS system is approved for a range of soft tissue procedures, primarily in general, urologic, gynecologic, and thoracic surgery. These are high volume areas where precision, flexibility, and minimally invasive access are vital. One standout feature is the system's ability to handle multi-quadrant access. Surgeons can reposition arms rather than redocking the entire system, cutting setup time and improving procedural flow. Because Hugo's arms and instruments are designed around existing laparoscopic standards, hospitals can use many of the same accessories and instruments they already own, a crucial factor in reducing costs and training barriers. Ultimately, Hugo's versatility means it's not confined to a single specialty. It's a platform capable of adapting to different surgical needs, offering a scalable approach for instructions that want to expand robotic capabilities gradually. Hugo's value lies in its flexibility, physical, financial, and operational. By using modular robotic arms, hospitals can customize setups for each procedure, optimizing OR space and efficiency. From a financial standpoint, the modular model changes the economics of robotic surgery. Instead of one massive investment, institutions can build their capability incrementally. That makes robotic surgery viable for facilities that might have been priced out before. Surgeons also gain ergonomic advantages through improved control design and posture support, reducing fatigue during long operations. Beyond hardware, Hugo incorporates data analytics tools that record procedural metrics and performance trends. Over time, this allows hospitals to optimize workflows, standardize outcomes, and even integrate insights into training programs. So Hugo isn't just a surgical system, it's a platform for smarter, more sustainable surgical practice. As of recent reports, Hugo has completed multiple feasibility and early clinical trials in urologic and gynecologic surgery, including robotic prostatectomies and hysterectomies. The results have been promising. Studies demonstrate comparable safety and clinical outcomes to established robotic systems, while also highlighting intuitive control and strong surgeon satisfaction. Surgeons often mention the open console design as a key factor in reducing fatigue and improving situational awareness. The tactile control feedback and camera precision help with dexterity and confidence during delicate dissection. Medtronic continues to expand clinical programs worldwide, collecting data across diverse healthcare settings. This data-driven approach ensures that Hugo isn't just effective in controlled trials, it's adaptable to real-world operating conditions. It's still early, but the trajectory suggests that Hugo could play a defining role in making robotic surgery both scalable and clinically consistent. No innovation arrives without challenges. For Hugo, the main technical hurdle involves spatial management, coordinating multiple mobile arms in a busy OR, and mastering docking precision. To address these, Medtronic developed advanced simulation modules and structured training programs that guide surgeons and nurses through system setup and procedural flow. Another consideration is standardization. Because the system's modular design allows customization, every OR might set up slightly differently. Achieving consistent performance across varied sites requires strong training and workflow protocols. That said, Medtronic's long-term commitment includes continuous software updates and field feedback loops, helping refine usability and reliability. In short, these challenges aren't roadblocks, they're growing pains of a new generation of robotic systems designed for broader reach and adaptability. Looking ahead, Medtronic's roadmap for Hugo extends beyond its current scope. Research teams are already exploring applications in cardiothoracic and bariatric procedures where precision and control are paramount. A major frontier lies in digital integration. Future versions are expected to incorporate AI assisted visualization, automated calibration, and cloud based analytics to help surgeons analyze performance and identify improvements over time. Medtronic is taking a phased approach to global rollout, ensuring compliance and support in each regulatory region. But the guiding principle remains clear: accessibility. Every update aims to reduce costs and complexity while improving performance. The vision is not just a robotic system, but a connected ecosystem that evolves with medicine itself. To wrap up, Hugo robotic assisted surgery system represents a major step in the evolution of surgical robotics, one grounded in flexibility, accessibility, and intelligent design. It challenges the idea that robotic surgery has to be exclusive or expensive. By making it modular, Medtronic has essentially redefined the economics of access. Hugo also embodies the convergence of engineering and data science, where surgical precision meets analytics, creating feedback that improves performance over time. Ultimately, this platform reflects Medtronic's broader mission to improve lives through technology that scales. Whether you're a surgeon, an engineer, or a hospital administrator, Hugo's promise is clear: advanced surgery that's smarter, more human centered, and globally reachable.